Hey, yeah, we're going to do a little review. I ordered quarter-inch drive socket set from Temu. Yeah, I know. We're going to do a comparison to some of the other wrenches I have. So hang around. Let's see what piece of crap this is. Okay, here we go. Just no name on it whatsoever. This says 46-piece tool set for home and auto. And if you guys want to stop and pause, you can read what's all coming in it. I am not going to read it all, but comes in a blow molded case. I just opened this up. I just got it, but the main reason I got it is because of the torque bits and stuff like that. But we're going to see what kind of crap they make. And the main thing I am going to look at is, you guessed it, the crap wrench. So we'll slide this off to the side a little bit and we'll take a look at the Ratchet. Boy, that feels sloppy. They got two little indents, holes right here for it to drop into place, I think. Boy, that is loose, real loose. I bet you that's a 70 something tooth, just the way it sounded. And listen to it. Well, that's, I don't know. But then you look at the drive, if you can see, I can get my fingers out of the way. Ain't that nice? I can almost guarantee this might last a few times. It might be good just to have in the car, just to as a emergency toolkit. But we're going to compare it to a couple others. Yeah, this needs cleaned up. It's an oldie. Been around the garage for a long time. But look at that. Can't even hear it compared to this one. Yeah, I gotta turn that off. I had the car started up in my last video, and that's my carbon monoxide detector. So it's not real bad in here, but okay, let's get back to this. If I keel over, call 911. And the push button for the release, see, it has like a little prog that pushes out. I don't care for those. This one has a release, works just fine. Let's put a socket on it just to test it. Comes right off, stays on, push button comes off. Can't even get it in there. Well, I'd say it stays on there. very loose. Barely comes off. It's probably what that little rod's for, is to push. You got to pull on it. Let's see if it drops off. Yeah, it does drop off. Okay. We'll compare to. It has a little slop, but nothing like. That must be in the socket, because this barely has any movement compared to this one. Junk, junk, junk. Now let's play snap on. Snap on. Right there. Positive click. Not a lot of grinding. That's about as much as Craftsman. You got to pull this off. Does not have any check button. And you can listen to the positive set. Compared to the Craftsman. Craftsman's even quieter than the snap-on compared to this. Holy crap. Okay. So we know this is junk. You ain't going to get a lot of use out of that. So let's look into the sockets or stuff. See what we got here. Got Phillips. Standards. Some more Phillips. It's like these are pointed. These must be for deeper. Got a socket, a Allen number 8. Got 76543. Okay, and then we got, looks like they're supposed to be Torx bits. 40, 30, 25, 20, 15, and 10. So it's not a full set. Let's look at, get this bigger socket out of here. Just kind of look at, can't even read the lettering. Chrome something, nickeladium, 14 mil. Like I said, it may be good. It got a little knurling on the edge. Chroming really sucks. You can see right here, that looks, see if I can get it in the camera. Right there, there's two of them. It looks like cracks. You can feel it. I don't know if that's in the chrome plating. I don't see a crack going through the back side of the socket, inside the socket. But it may be, there's something down in there. I don't know. But I don't know if I would trust all that. This is supposed to be a swivel. Boy, that feels grimy, gritty. Extension, short, long, screwdriver, handle, T-handle, in case you need it. Who knows why you would. Just something to throw in there, I guess. An Allen or socket bit so that you can throw one of these, pull these out. I guess they pull out. No, they don't. So what the hell are you going to use that in? Drill or something? I don't know. And a swivel or a bendable extension. I have used these. They're okay if you need to get around a corner, but they don't stay. It's just a big spring. And some Allen wrenches. Why? I don't know. Fix your piece of shit ratchet. No, but those are Torx, so those won't work. But yeah, this set through Temu, I got it for $4 and something, and I figured I'd just throw it in the trunk of the car. So if I need some sockets, and I don't know, I may even replace this with one of my older Craftsman, so at least I know this won't break. And if the other crap, for the price, yeah, it'd be worth throwing in just in the car, just so you got something small enough. But if you're going to rely on using this every day, no, don't do it. Go, get yourself some decent tools. Craftsman, they're a good name. I've been using Craftsmans for years, never had an issue. Some guys are, oh, you need to buy a Snap-on. This little wrench here, I got this at a yard sale for $1. I don't even use it. I use my Craftsman. It's too damn small. And I bet you if you went to buy this, it's probably going to be $50. What? Nope, don't need it. But get yourself yard sales, find yourself some good tools, check them out. This here just needs a good cleaning, but I've always used them. But for what it is, it'll do. Here you go. But if you want a small 1/4-inch drive socket set, just to have as a standby if you need it. With these older cars, you should have a tool set with you. You should have extra stuff. I had a kit that I built, and I'll probably just throw them in the bottom just to have them. Some open end, box end wrenches, screwdrivers, some extra stuff, like electrical tape, some shrink wraps, zip ties, a bunch of different stuff. Because if you break down, you're going to sit there and wait. If you can fix it and get on your merry way, that's what I do. Because if you break down, you're going to be sitting there for 2, 3, 4 hours until they decide, hey, yeah, we'll come and get you now. Like that. But there you go. For the money, not bad. Definitely something that you don't want to have to use every single day. Get some good tools. But here you go. There's a review. It's a non-paid. I bought them myself. But for, what was it, $6, $7? I can't remember. It's dirt cheap. But appreciate you guys. And leave me a comment. What do you think on these things? I try to reply to all my comments. But if you feel you could help out the channel a little bit, throw a little bit here and there, just find this stuff in parts and pieces and to make entertainment for you. It's not cheap. It comes right out of my pocket. I ain't making a dime on this channel. My other channel, yes, I make a little bit. And it goes right back into YouTube. So every little bit helps. There's a Patreon link and a buy me a coffee link down below if you want. Help me out a little bit. But give me a big thumbs up, not the finger. And we'll see you on the next one. Hey, go check this video out. You might like it. I don't know. If you don't, go watch something else. See you later. Peace.